up, baby doll?
Winter's here.
It is
here.
here.
What's up, and it's cold out.
The White Walkers are coming.
It feels like -30 right now, which is very cold. Keep in mind that's Celsius.
Which is actually really close to Fahrenheit because they both meet up at -40. Science.
Was it 40?
I thought so. Correct me if I'm wrong.
32 Fahrenheit is 0 Celsius.
Oh.
I know that much.
Be right back. I'm gonna Google it. Boom. -40 equals -40. Science.
Yeah. So anyway, it's cold out all of a sudden, and also bright out.
Yep.
But we're going into Pete Sales and Service today because they're having a open house. It's a little more towards the sled side of house, but we wanted to check out some sleds and see what's going on and try to be one of the first ones through the door because the first 52 get signed up for a whole snowsuit and helmet and everything.
Ooh.
Because why not?
I didn't know that. That's cool.
Yeah, that's why I was like, you should go in the morning. And Kaz is like, yeah. She just supports me blindly.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going in, and I mean, they're like 2 seconds from my house, so it's
we're pretty much there now.
Yeah, it's a short trip.
Yeah.
Like bird's eye, it's hilarious. But, anyway, that's what we're doing today, and Cass is gonna be my film lady, and we'll take some cool shots. We got the 90D. I'm still learning to take some photos and stuff. I don't plan on being a photographer or anything, but I want to be able to take some cool photos. But mostly for some video and some sweet 120 frame and cool little slow-mo blips. But yeah.
We'll see you out there.
Let's buy a sled.
Woo! So it looks like we're not the first ones here.
They just opened. Like, holy moly.
What time is it?
Like 9? Oh, copyright.
It's like 10 after 9. It's already pretty full. Oh my god. Okay, cool. Let's go hurry up and get our names in.
Yeah. Main floor. This is the nice part with all the sale stuff and the expensive things that I want to buy. It's everywhere. I want to buy everything in here, but there's no money in that, so.
There's no money in buying stuff.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's my best advice right beside don't die.
Yeah.
So we're checking it all out. This is your next machine here, Cuz.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That'd actually be really cool.
They're actually pretty quick. Our neighbor has one, and he managed to hit a tree with it, so they're fast enough. I love these things. The Expeditions. I know they're big boats and everything, but I'm a sucker for utility, so I always like them. The Expedition Extreme is probably my favorite overall. It just seems interesting, but I want the 900 Ace, which doesn't come in the Extreme, so it's a bit of an argument there, but plenty of machines to look at. I want all the sleds. I want to get into sleds, but
whatever you want, honey.
Let's just buy a sled right now, then.
The world is yours.
Can we please have a sled?
Let's rock, paper, scissors.
Let's get a Summit for no reason, even though we probably couldn't use it.
Oh, is there? Okay.
Yeah. No, no worries.
Hi, how are you?
There's actually quite a few people here, and I say that like I wouldn't have believed it otherwise, but when we showed up, there was like just trucks and cars filling the parking lot.
We were just surprised it was so full so early. It was like 10 after 9, and this thing starts at 9, and the parking lot was full.
We're also taking some beauties. Let's see here.
Some glam shots.
There's all sorts of photos and goodies. pretty excited about all of it. Getting used to this thing as far as the basics are concerned, and then I'll start being creative one day.
Right on.
Can we buy this?
Oh yeah, sure. We'll take 2.
2 of them?
Yep.
That's only like 35 grand or something. Canadian. So I always say that because everyone's like, oh, hey Kyle, why are the prices you mentioned so expensive all the time? Canada is why. Because you can go to the States and like, oh, I bought my Outlander for 11 grand. Yeah, well in Canada, they're 15 to 18 grand. So, yeah. I don't know. I don't know enough about sleds. We should just buy one and figure it out.
Yeah, okay.
Can we please?
Trial and error.
I feel like I'm going to the mall with my mom when I'm 8 years old. Mom, can we? God, I just want a sled. Just one. I'll never bug you again. Every year we manage to spend all of our monies.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Honestly,
I'm just holding this.
With that thing right now, neither do I.
Yeah, but we look good.
we look really
like
good.
We know what we're doing.
Yeah, we are certainly not charging money for our expertise.
I'll have 2 of these, a couple of those, and
You're starting to sound like me.
we'll call it a day.
So you want to get a crotch rocket, a dirt bike, a snowblower, and some candies. I don't even know how long have these been here. That's the first thing I wonder when I see these things. Like,
The guy gave me a loonie to have some of this when we bought Kyle's quad. It was part
like
of the
2
deal.
years ago. Yeah.
Yeah.
We won't buy unless we get an almond.
And I dropped one on the ground.
Well, so far it's going really well.
We wanted 2?
Did we win it too?
Yeah, I told you. I got the jack, so I thought I got jacked.
You ever seen the Rick Mercer report where they like talk and the camera guy has to walk backwards?
Yeah.
And
You can't see Kyle walking backwards right now, but he's doing it. No,
I'm
hand
capable
to
of
the
so many
mirror.
things. I'm gonna add
I'll
that to my
jump behind
resume. Oh.
Hi.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it for us.
Yeah.
I got some really nice B-roll and some photos. If you want to see those, check us out on Instagram, Facebook. We'll have some of that posted there. I think we'll share some of these photos with Pete Sales and Service too.
Yeah.
But
That's it. We're gonna have some lunch.
let's do that thing every YouTuber does.